ZBAO stock analysis and ZBAO stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to break down my exact place with Zhibao Technology, especially, you know, now just around $1. Like, I'm not really having this much hope with it. It's not looking good, let's put it this way. And I've done 42,000 videos. Like, no one else in this space has done 42,000 videos except me, and actually documented them all. I mean, come on, if you want to do it, it's going to take you 5 years. That's how long it's taken me, and I've been doing this every single day. So there's two factors that will make me be bullish. You know, first of all, if there's a big freaking catalyst and breaks above 150. Second of all, breaks beneath, you know, 84 cents. That's how it's looking like for me. If not, it's all good. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and really nothing that I'm worth more than I would be adding, really. So that's how it's looking like for me. So if you want the free insights and whatnot, click the first link below.